Next, we have octet rule. According to this rule, atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electron to from one atom to another, or by sharing of valence electron in order to have an octet in their valence shell. So if I have either by transfer, the transfer is the case like that, 281 287, so it transferred the electron to chlorine. So by transfer it is forming Na positive, because it has lost one electron, so we have to show Na positive, plus Cl gaining one electron, we have to write Cl negative. So it become 28, it become 288. So what we are getting, by transfer of electron, it gains the octet configuration. Both the atom have octet configuration by transfer of electron. So this is what tells about the octet rule, or by what we have done in the earlier, by sharing of electron also they attain the octet configuration. So this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, by sharing of electron also they have the octet configuration. Remember, some of the atoms having the duplet configuration, for example hydrogen, lithium, hydrogen, these things are with duplet configuration, they are satisfied. Now we are showing the limitation of octet rule. So incomplete octet in the central atom. One is your incomplete octet in the central atom. So sometime if I write structure of BF3, in that case boron having incomplete octet in the central atom. So it is 6 electron. Sometime with incomplete octet it is observed that molecules exist. In that case octet rule is not valid. One of the most important one is the odd electron molecule. Some molecules having odd electron, for example NO, nitrogen having 7 electron, oxygen having 8 electron, 15 electron. This is an odd electron molecule. For odd electron molecule octet rule is not valid. The structure of the same is this one. Nitrogen having 5 valence electron, 1 2 3 4 5, oxygen having 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here the oxygen become octet, but the nitrogen remains with 7 electron. So that is why in this rule both the atoms does not achieve the octet configuration. The odd electron molecule for that octet rule is not valid. Next we have to see that expanded octet also there, means the central atom with more number of electrons than 8. For example, if you have PCl5 SF6, PCl5, this is the structure of PCl5. Here the central atom phosphorus surrounds 10 electron, 2 2 4 plus 2 6 7 8 9 10. So in that case octet rule is not valid. SF6, it is the structure is this one. Sulfur hexafluoride. Now if you have count the number of electrons surrounding that sulfur, 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 electron. So these are the expanded octet. In this, your octet rule is not valid. Next, what we are doing, some drawbacks of octet rule. Drawbacks of octet rule in this one, limitation and drawback. Student, you just separate these two words like that. Limitation means how much a theory works. If I have give you that 50 Rasgullas, if you can have that 50 Rasgullas, able to have 50 Rasgullas, your limitation is up to 50. If I give the 51 Rasgullas, then one Rasgullas you just avoid to take. So this is limitation. Drawback means something which you cannot do. If I have given some stone, if I have given you some stone to eat, then you cannot able to have that one stone. So this is the drawback. Drawback means a rule which cannot explain anything. This is the drawback. So in drawback, first of all, this rule is not applicable for noble gas compound.